The YUCHIP InFiLite series indoor LED screen adopts a full front maintenance design with a flat back panel, enabling seamless wall mounting. With a cabinet size of 640 mm, 480 mm, and a thickness of only 49.5 mm, it saves indoor space without compromising functionality. Equipped with built-in screws on all four sides. The cabinet allows quick installation and precise splicing. All wiring is routed internally, ensuring no exposed cables and keeping your space neat and professional. The screen modules feature a magnetic hard connection design. Simply follow the directional arrows for fast, effortless installation and secure alignment. With integrated mounting holes, customized installation solutions are available for any site. Paired with a 3,840 Hz high refresh rate, the screen delivers smooth, clear visuals, making it not only a display but also a stylish highlight of your space. The YUCHIP InFiLite series offers 5-pixel pitch options: P1.25, P1.53, P1.86, P2, and P2.5, allowing you to select the model that delivers the best visual performance for your installation site, while combining high-definition clarity with an ultra-slim cabinet design. This screen also stands out for its cost-effectiveness, making it the ultimate choice for indoor LED displays.